In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance P2P. P2P simply means you're buying or selling cryptocurrency directly with other people while using familiar payment methods like your bank, Gcash, or an e-wallet. The big safety feature here is Escrow. Binance securely holds the seller's crypto during the trade so it can't be taken away while you're sending payment. Once the seller confirms they've received your money, Binance releases the crypto to you. Before you start, make sure three things are done. First, create a Binance account. Second, complete your identity verification, also known as KYC, so you can access P2P features. And third, add at least one payment method you actively use, such as Gcash or your bank account, so you can pay quickly within the allowed time. When you're ready, open the Binance app and tap Buy Crypto, then choose P2P. You'll land on the marketplace. Tap Buy to see the list of available offers. Now select the coin you want to purchase. USDT is recommended for beginners because it's widely used and easy to trade with other coins later. Next, choose a seller. Look for a high completion rate and a strong rating. Aim for 98% or higher, so you're dealing with someone reliable. Also check that their offer supports your payment method and that their price and trading limits match the amount you intend to buy. Taking a moment here helps you avoid mismatches and delays later. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then tap Buy to open the order. You'll see a payment window that shows how much time you have to pay. Send the exact amount using the payment method listed, like Gcash or your bank. Pay from an account that matches your verified name whenever possible, and double-check the amount before you send to prevent any holdups. Once you've sent the money, return to the order page and tap I paid. This lets the seller know you've completed payment. From here, wait for the seller to confirm they received the funds. As soon as they do, Binance will release the crypto from escrow into your account. If you paid the correct amount within the time limit and tapped I paid, all you need to do is be patient while the seller verifies the transfer. To recap, you pick P2P inside the Binance app, choose Buy, select a coin like USDT, pick a reputable seller, enter your amount, pay using Gcash or your bank, tap I paid, and wait for release. Binance locks the crypto in escrow the entire time, adding a layer of protection to your trade.